Keurig K Mini Plus Maker Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Brewer comes with 6 to 12 pods. Brew size, storage, and travel mug friendly, Cardinal Red. Included in the box, Keurig K Mini Plus Single-Serve Coffee Maker with pod storage unit that fits in your brewer and can hold up to 9 K-Cup pods. Fast and fresh brewed coffee made in minutes. Pod storage holds 9 K-Cup pods and fits in your brewer for ultimate portability and saves counter space. Cord storage for easy transport and tidy countertops. Travel mug friendly, removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.0 tall and holds a full accidental brew for easy cleanup. Energy efficient, auto off feature turns off your coffee maker 90 seconds after your last brew, helping to save energy. Compatible with the My K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee Filter, brew your own ground coffee, sold separately. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.